Good morning. My name is Natasha Soderberg. I'm Associate Head here at Butler Montessori. How do we communicate with you? So many ways. Let me count them. The most important is the Butler Bulletin every Friday. It has a summary of what's coming. It has a little calendar so you can see all the dates. And then it has a little bit of more information about each thing that's going to be happening coming up soon. So anytime you're like, what was that thing I heard about? Go look for your Butler Bulletin that comes out to you on Friday. If you're not receiving it, please call us at the front desk so that we can make sure you get it. Then next, of course, is Homeroom. This is an app that the guides and the teachers and everybody uses to post pictures and little quick updates that you need to know, like tomorrow's a pumpkin patch. Remember to send in X, Y, and Z, right? And of course, it's a wonderful place to see what your child is doing at school every day. And then Laura Manick, our head of school, sends out an email, usually once a month, sometimes every 2 weeks if we have a lot to tell you. We try not to send information that is not important. We only send, and her emails have things that we really want you to know. And so please do read them, do open them when she sends them. The other ways we communicate, of course, are social media, Instagram, Facebook. And, if we're not reaching you all of those ways, call us. We want to hear from you.